What up, what up? Good morning, fam. Good morning. How we doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Let's see, 1 second. Terrible day yesterday for me. Absolutely terrible. I usually don't have losses like that just because I'm really good at mitigating my risk, but yeah, I oversized on that Coca-Cola and that thing screwed me. Huge red. I do have a recap video coming out though. I'll post that tonight on what I think went wrong. Let's see. Can you please do spy first? I'm on break and can't stay long. I don't see a please. You just join up in here telling me what to do. No please or thank you. What's up, channel members? Greatly appreciate you guys. Good morning, everybody. But yeah, you guys know about, oh my god, hold on. Oh, loud. Yeah, you guys know about my day yesterday, negative, I think it was like 1030, $1,030. How did you guys do? Did you guys make money, lose money? Do you know what you did wrong? If you lost money, that Apple did end up printing and I did take the Apple trade. However, QQQ was sitting at that 300, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna just get out of this trade. And you know, at least it was green. It was hardly green. It was literally like lunch money. But yeah, yesterday was rough. I was mentally drained yesterday after those trades, so had to walk away. But first day trading, nice. All right, let's see, QQQ, or not QQQ, SPY. Where is the yearly low? That's not what I wanted. Yearly low is 385.15. We did come down to that level. So I would say if we break below 385.15, we're going lower. Yes, I actually do have the stream deck now. It's at the bottom of my book bag. But with SPY, 385.15 is going to be very important. Maybe we bounce and, you know, get a nice little push to the upside. But as of now, we're right at that yearly low. So if we crack below there, we're definitely going a lot lower. We got a price target of 378.78. And then those weekly levels that I give you guys, which is, I want to believe this is it. Yeah, these are the levels for this week. Again, every single Saturday I post those SPY and QQQ levels for you guys, so make sure you guys do watch those videos. But yeah, 385.15, super important going into today. We crack below there, we are going much lower. But we did talk about that 4-hour bear flag on ES, and as you can see yesterday, it broke below it, absolutely tanked. So, real quick, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 108 people up in here and only 43 likes. Therefore, more than half of you have not clicked that like button. Yesterday, the watch list pretty much went to crap, and I apologize for that. Today, we will do better and hopefully find some beautiful setups. Let's see. Yeah, QQQ as well. I believe that's at the yearly low. We actually gapped down, too. Yep. Today, what is today? Is today Thursday? Man, this week's flown by. Job reports in 10 minutes. What are we at? We were very close to that yearly low at 284.94. We cracked below there. Whew, I ain't got much. What do we got? 279.06, 276.05, 271.58. If we crack below 284.94. So, yeah, again, I'm gonna post a whole recap on what happened yesterday. It happens, right? Not every day is gonna be green, what we signed up for. Just gotta stay positive and move on to the next day. Anyways, let's see what we like today. Let me get the Discord up to myself. Car horns, there we go. Also, in case you guys did not know, my pre-orders for my book will be up next Saturday. Not this Saturday coming up, but on the 28th, and the book will officially release on June 4th. So I'm very hyped about that. Book Baby has been nothing but a pain. I opened up a dispute against them, and I'm getting my money back because those people clearly gave the book to someone who was blind to edit it. But yeah, we shall see. The put to call ratio is over 1. Let's see. P-call. It is. There is a possibility for a short squeeze then. We did get the gap down. I do feel like some people are going to take profits. The people who chase puts will get squeezed out. That's definitely a possibility, so let's keep that on our radar. Anyways, priority week. Start with AMD. Yes, sir. Buy puts on Book Baby. If they ever go public, you're going to see me with the biggest short position. Anyways, AMD right down to that monthly pivot as support right at 93.65. It looks like it's trying to come back up. 95.6 looks pretty interesting, or break below 93.65. AMD. Trust me, this book is going to cover every single thing you need to know about trading. Everything. Trust. Hold on, where'd you guys go? Hold on, there we go. Honestly, Chuck, probably, or they outsourced it and just gave it to someone on what's that website? Fiverr. Because literally those edits are terrible. Let's see, do you ever play gaps on the open? It depends, sometimes. If we gap down and we have a negative, let's say 1300 tick, odds are that this thing's gonna move to the upside quickly and we can trade that. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We're almost at 150, or we're not even close to 150 likes. We're almost at 150 people up in here and only 77 likes. Remember, I will drop the watch list once we hit 150. Facebook, if job reports are terrible, 188.56. If job reports are good, 192.8. It's gonna be what I am watching. Facebook, boom. Yeah, I want to be number 1. That'd be dope if we could get there. I have a whole video on how to set up my TOS. And everything is getting slaughtered. MPC pretty much hit that price target. It was close. Microsoft back down at that yearly low. Yeah, we cracked below 250. That's going to be huge. Let's watch Microsoft below 250. Yeah, that Apple one was good. If you held on to it and you were not like me, congrats to you. You feasted yesterday. Video below, what is that? 164.61. Whoops. I'm interested in Nvidia to the downside again. If we get bad job reports. Cool. Day trade stocks. Apple. Slaughtered yesterday. It looks like it's bouncing off that yearly low. 130, what is that? 138.56. If you guys do want to watch that. That's actually really strong support too. Whoops. This whole level is going to be really important. So I would say Apple below 138 is where I would get really interested. So we'll put that on the radar for now. Exactly. If you're not clicking that like button, I don't know what's wrong with you. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you got some serious issues. I post literally like daily videos for you guys on how to trade. And yeah, hopefully you guys find value in all my videos. I posted a video yesterday how I use SPY and QQQ to swing trade and day trade. We could bounce. Everything, a lot of the stocks are at their yearly lows where, you know, we could double bottom down here because it's been some time since we actually hit that level. Plus that put to call ratio is over 1. Again, there is that possibility for a short squeeze today. So I will be looking for intraday setups just because we do have that put to call over 1. Good morning, channel member. Greatly appreciate you. We got Facebook, Microsoft. We looked at Nvidia, PayPal. Let's see, 4-hour squeeze. If it cracked below 75.51, I would be interested. Yearly low 71.83. So their liquidity in the 75 puts. PayPal. Roku, don't care about. There's actually a beautiful Roku trade yesterday and I didn't get filled. That annoyed me. Watch SQ, see what we can get there. Again, it's got that 4-hour squeeze. Tesla below 700. Could be Black Thursday. I don't know. We shall see. 680 is a strong support level for Tesla. 689.5. Look for puts down to 680. We lose 680. That's going to be a major violation, and it's probably going to go lower, but I think that we might bounce there. And then I don't trade Twitter. I don't trade Walmart. Exxon can stay for the time being. Cool. So we got AMD, Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, PayPal, SQ, and Tesla. We got 3 minutes till job report. So again, if you guys could make sure to click that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. And in the meantime, if you guys got any questions while we wait for these job reports to come out, feel free to type them in the chat for me. Yeah, I saw that. That was I posted that in the Discord yesterday. I retweeted it. It wasn't the actual S&P 500 though. It was let me pull it up. I don't know what this means. S&P Dow Jones indices. Unless they were trying to say the S&P and the Dow, but I don't think it was in the Dow. BJ's reported. How'd they do? Let's see. They actually did pretty good. I like BJ's. The store. I know some of you are going to type in chat. Yeah, that's what it is. ESG index. Yeah. I don't day trade JP Morgan. Really no liquidity in it. We got 2 minutes. What do you guys think is going to happen today? We going to tank? Did they drop the numbers early? How you got the numbers already? Good morning. I post in Team Bull every single day. Everyone loves BJ's, the store. You're right, Bob. You are right. Well, it's like the one time I said something about my G Fuel. I forget exactly what I said, but I said something about the G Fuel and all of you went crazy in the chat. So, yeah, gotta be careful. Black Thursday, tank. Oh, you like the sporting goods stores? Good. Bounce, you hope. My long-term portfolio wishes it'll bounce. Hold on, let's look at my long-term portfolio while we got a minute. I am down negative 22.21% this year. Do I dare look at my crypto portfolio? Ooh. Whew. All right, hold on. Oh, it doesn't tell you the percentage that you're down? I'm down. I want to say it's like 40%, just doing basic math. Around 40% in my crypto portfolio. Alrighty. I do love my G Fuel. Oh my god, alright. So I'm probably gonna get smacked on USO today as well, which is very annoying, just to add to yesterday's insult of injury. But USO, I'm light. I don't really care. I can take that loss. Coca-Cola was definitely very oversized. But what were the actual job reports? Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 200 people up in here and only 122 likes. We need 28 more people to click that like button if you do want the watch list for today. And I am waiting for the job numbers to come out. U.S. jobless claims plus 21,000 to 218,000. Continuing, actually here, hold on. Initial jobless claims 218,000, expectation 200,000, last 203,000. Let's see. Where is the continuing? There it is. U.S. continuing jobless claims 1.317 mil versus 1.343 mil, and estimate was 1.323 mil. So initial jobless claims higher than expected, continuing jobless claims lower than expected. See how the market digests. Let's see, U.S. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, actual 2.6 versus 17.6, estimate 15.1. I actually want to see how the Chicago Exchange is doing. They are very bearish. I've not looked at this thing in a fat minute. If you guys don't know what the skew is, first off, you only want to look at it on the daily time frame. Dropping some free game for you guys. This is just a market internal. So it's the skew, SIBO, Chicago Exchange. When this thing is, all the way up here, that means the Chicago Exchange, they're very, very bullish. When it's all the way down here, it means they're very, very bearish. Where's COVID? Here's COVID. And here's now. So, fun little fact for you guys. 1 year, 1 day. Let's see. We're not really doing anything. We're kind of just sitting here. Costco, maybe. You also got to keep in mind that Target and Walmart did terrible. So, let's look at Target. Not Target. Costco. I probably wouldn't touch it, to be honest with you. Not a fan. Good morning, everybody. Everybody that's just tuning in. Again, I said this earlier, but my book is going to be dropping on June 4th. Pre-orders are going to be up next Saturday. Not this Saturday, but the following Saturday. Pre-orders will be up. First, we're going to do the ebook because I feel like you just really need to see colored charts to fully understand what I'm trying to explain in the book, like TTM squeeze and stuff like that. But then like a month or two after that, I'm going to be dropping the physical copy of the book, so if you guys do want to cop that as well. But yeah, book is coming out soon. What is that? 2 weeks? Almost 2 weeks? 2 weeks, 2 days. But yeah, let's whoops. No. Why does it keep doing this? All right, it looks like we might pull. All right, let me tell everybody that the put to call is over 1 and we are gapping down. How much? I want to see if we're at that negative 2%. Made a bag on Walmart, nice. Negative 1.10%, negative 1.07, negative 1.17. Okay, so we did not hit that negative 2%. But I do want to let everyone know that put to call is over. P call is over 1. Watch out for short squeeze. I'm gonna have a website up with the pre-order. I'll probably make a Shopify website or just use Gumroad, which is what I used for my last book. Anyways, let's see what we can find today. Let's narrow down the list. AMD. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I guarantee you, not all 220 of you in here are subscribed to the channel. Are you kidding me? I really just did that. Come on. That's fine. I would say AMD below. I mean, it hit that pivot to a T. 93.65. If it cracks below there, I'd be interested in puts. Facebook. Yearly low is at. It's basically at that trend line right now. Actually, no, it broke below the trend line. Okay, so Facebook below 188.50, I'd be interested in. The put to call ratio, basically how many puts are in the market versus how many calls. When the put to call is over 1, that means there's too many puts in the market, meaning there's nobody else left to buy puts. What do people do? They take profits. What happens to the people that chase puts? They get stopped out. So the people who are taking profits become buyers. The people who get stopped out become buyers. And then you have people, just retail or whoever, just buying. Therefore, you have triple buying pressure. And what happens? Stocks go up. Okay, so Microsoft, I really like at this 250 level, either for a double bottom or if it cracks below it, we're going lower. So I do want to keep that on my radar. I don't see actually like any TTM squeezes today. Nvidia, if the market pulls 1, I don't even know where that level came from, but 116 or 164.6, I like that level. Apple, it's got a lot of support, so I think if the market wants to drop, it's got to crack below. Apple's going to take it. So Apple below 138.25 is going to take it lower. I'm not going to watch that today personally. I'm going to take it off the list, but if you guys do want to watch it, feel free. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Hold on. Bing bong. You guys hear the bing bong? Was that good? Bing bong. I don't know how loud that is. Yeah, I just talked about the put to call. Let's see. PayPal below 75.51. Nice 4-hour squeeze. Yearly low at 71.83. We have support at 74.79. Yeah, you know it. Click that like button. 72.4. All right, I like this PayPal setup. Boom. We're gonna watch that. I think SQ, yeah, SQ and PayPal tend to move together. What's this level? 78.88, like a 30-cent move above 81.45. We could watch SQ both ways. TLT's climbing. We'll take a look at TLT. Remember, TLT's kind of been the leader in the market. Tesla either above 700 or below 689.50. Like both ways. TLT. TLT is climbing. What's up with that? Are the yields getting smacked? Got a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, lots of volume, less volume, even lighter volume, squeeze. Looks like it's probably going to crack down. But yeah, if the 10-year starts to fall, that's good. But remember, TLT, it's been leading the market. If you guys go and look at all these bear flags on TLT, when they started cracking, the market was like 2 days behind. So if TLT rallies, the market should follow it. You know, just speaking about this price action right here, the market did pretty well in following this. So yeah, definitely keep that on watch. Anyways, let's go back to the top of the list. Again, Brian, if I knew if SPY could go to 400 today, I would make $1 million today. AMD. It is overextended, but you got to remember that stocks take the elevator down and they stair step their way up. So if it's really overextended to the upside, it's kind of easier to tell if it's going to pull back. However, to the downside, it could continue to fall. But I think we found the list for today. Facebook, really only interested to the downside. Where are we right now? 5 EMA, 196. We're down at 190, so not too overextended. Microsoft. All right, let's see what happens with Microsoft. 250 could be a double bottom. However, we lose 250. We're going lower. 246. You think SPY going to 500 today? Tell you what though, I do need to clean this chart. Alrighty. Microsoft at 250. Not only is this a psych number, but it is also the yearly low. We could possibly double bottom here. So I will look for intraday setups to the upside. However, if we crack below 250, I will be looking for puts. Price target equal 246 and 242.50. 242.5. Boom. There's Microsoft. Again, there is that possibility that we short squeeze today. That's why I'm going to be watching everything both ways. Just because that thing is over 1. Don't want to get caught in the puts and get short squeezed. So we got Microsoft. I did not save my edits. Not watching Apple, not watching AMD. Facebook. I know I'm gonna have to hunt you guys down for the ones that didn't click that like button. Hunt you down, go onto your computer or phone and click it for you. It depends. I want to see the tick when the market opens. Depending on the tick, I might try some calls. Again, 8+ setups only though. I'm not trying to have a red week. It has been a really, like, knock on wood, it has been a really long time since I've had a red week. So, fingers crossed that does not happen. Post-market high was here. That was also the close. I would say I like NVIDIA 167.3 above there for calls, or a break below 164.4 for puts. We got a lot of room to the downside. Upside, I mean, we could look to scalp. It's not a bad option. So we'll come back to NVIDIA. Now, do we want to watch PayPal or SQ? That's part of trading, though. It's what we signed up for. But nah, red week would suck. 75.5, the 75 puts, decent amount of liquidity. No. Once the market closes, that's my free time. $79.33. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. I'm going to say I like SQ more. 79.33 where the liquidity in the puts, 78 puts, and 84 calls. SQ tends to move more than PayPal. Personal preference. You can watch either or. Okay, let's see. Dang, where's the support on this thing? Really, there's none. Alrighty. SQ. 4-hour squeeze. Looking to fire down. Since P call is over 1, I will be looking both ways. Below 79.33 for puts. Price target equal 78.88 below there. I do not have a lot of support. Basically free money at that point or above. 81.5 for calls. Boom. There's SQ. We're almost at 200 likes. You guys want to run it up to 200 likes today? That would be greatly appreciated. We got 254, 255 people up in here. So if you guys want to do that, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed as well. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. All you guys got to do is your part by clicking that like button and subscribing. Anyways, so I like SQ. I prefer SQ over PayPal. If you want to watch PayPal, they move together, so you can watch SQ or PayPal. It doesn't really matter. And then Tesla. Very interested if we can get down to that 680 level. Very, very interested. Right below 689.50, we could take it down to 680. I would prefer just to wait until we get to 680. Yeah, you got that Red Bull now. Don't forget, you also got the emojis. Remember, if you guys want like certain emojis, just tell me what you want. I'll get them put in. Of course. Every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Put it on your calendar, set an alarm, whatever it is. Just make sure you guys join. Tesla's a big maybe. We'll come back to Tesla. Facebook, maybe. Might look at what Grizzly's watching for the day. Nvidia, same thing with Nvidia. Below 164.6. No, it's taken off a different S&P index, not the S&P 500. Bing bong. You want chamois emojis? Oh, you want the chamois branded emojis? Okay, I can do that. I can definitely do that for you. 67.29. Yeah, we can watch a video. Apple, it just has a lot of support at that one level. Wouldn't really be interested until it's below that. If it can even get below that. Really? I did not know that. Might have to do that. You can only enter the chat once you click the like button. NVIDIA, also watching both ways. And plus Apple moves slower than a snail. Also watching both ways. We could reject at 170.5 as well. Below 164.6 for puts. Or above 167.3 for calls. Oh my god, I can't type. There we go. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. All right, cool. We smashed the like goal today. I greatly appreciate you guys. 214 likes. I will take it. So, what I am watching today is going to be, remember that put to call ratio is over 1, so we got to be very important, or you got to be careful if you're taking puts today. It would be higher risk at this point. But Microsoft at 250, Look for those intraday setups to the upside. There, yeah, I gotta do the disclaimer. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Make sure to do your own due diligence and use your own risk Make sure to do your own due diligence and make sure to apply your own risk management, because options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So, let's see. No, I will never let a day trade turn into a swing trade. It is a day trade for a reason. Never, ever, ever. Never. But yeah, I'm also going to be watching SPY and QQQ. Just, Savages levels. So here is the watch list today. Again, none of this is a recommendation. Hold on, I gotta fix this one up. It is over the character limit. There we go. Microsoft. None of this is a recommendation. Use your own risk management. If no setup is validated, there is no trade. Remember, it is okay to take no trades. You do not have to trade every single day. But yeah, other than that, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys do that. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. I'm about to drop the link to the Discord. Give me 1 second. Boom. So if you guys want to join the Discord, there's the link there. But yeah, I'll be live again tomorrow, Lotto Friday, my favorite day of the week at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Other than that, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. Hopefully today is a better day.